welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing today, man? We're doing pretty good. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Turn post notifications bell on to be notified every time we upload. Make sure you guys go follow us on our social media sites. Follow us on TikTok. All that will be in the description down below for you guys to check that out, man. We just uploaded 3 new TikToks, man, yesterday. Yeah, yesterday, right? So make sure you guys go check that out. Go show some love. Yes, sir. Before we get the video started, I just want to say thank you to all you guys that show love and support, man. It really means a lot. Alright, today we're going to be reacting to Kill Bill, The Bride versus Go-Go. Go-Go or... I think Go-Go. I'm guessing this is a movie. Came out in 2003. I've never heard of this movie. I think I've seen the... like the cover of it. But yeah, I've never seen the movie. Never watched the movie. Alright, so yeah. But without further ado, guys, let's get straight to the video. Yo, slice her neck already. Oh, D. Oh. Oh. Oh, nah. Oh, Shawn Michaels. Wendy Wu can fight. Remember that movie? Wendy Wu? Oh. Yo. Oh. Yo. Oh, nah. Yo, that's crazy. Oh. Yo. Damn. Oh, shit. Yo. Yo, I was not expecting the ending to be like that. Me either. I was not expecting that shit. Yo, she fucked her up. Nah, that shit had me weak when she like fucking knocked herself out down and shit. She did? Yeah, right? Look. I thought the blonde girl, no, like she like hit herself, I think. Cause she like dug down or something. Oh yeah, like she dodged it, right? She hit it. I thought she like missed or something and like it hit her or something. No, that's what I was saying, like. That's why I was like weak and shit. I thought she like. I mean, it looked kind of funny though. Alright, man. There you guys have that video. If you guys enjoyed that video right there, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the crew, and as always, we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Bye.